Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable passcode lock on Trust Wallet. Protecting your crypto assets means not only safeguarding your seed phrases, but also making sure anyone who picks your phone can't just open your wallet. Enabling a passcode lock in Trust Wallet adds a solid layer of local device security. First of all, make sure to open up Trust Wallet application on your device and also make sure it is updated to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you're in the home page of Trust Wallet, click on the Settings tab at the top left corner of the screen, and this will open up the Settings menu where you need to click Security. Under Security, you will see the Passcode option. Toggle on the button right next to Passcode. Now, create a passcode for your wallet if you haven't, and then confirm the passcode by retyping it again. Soon after you do that, you will be able to enable the passcode lock option. Now you can choose whether you'd like to lock your wallet immediately or after a few minutes or hours. Choose the lock method, whether you want it to be passcode or Face ID or both. And if you want to be asked for approval ahead of transactions, toggle on the button right next to transaction signing. So soon after you do that, you will be asked to enter your passcode every time you close and open the app. And there you go. That is how you can easily enable passcode lock on Trust Wallet and securing your crypto assets. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.